Hello students, today we'll study about some compounds and their formulas. Like the first compound which we'll study is hydrogen chloride. It is given in page number 5 of your book. Hydrogen chloride. Its formula is HCl. HCl. The elements which are present in hydrogen chloride, they are hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen and chlorine. Nitric acid. Nitric acid, the formula, the chemical formula of nitric acid is HNO3. The elements which are present in nitric acid are hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Similarly, if we take example of sulfuric acid, the formula for sulfuric acid is H2SO4. H2SO4. The elements which are present in sulfuric acid are hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Two atoms of hydrogen, one of sulfur and four atoms of oxygen. Suppose if you take the example of phosphoric acid, the formula for phosphoric acid is H3PO4. Three hydrogen atoms, then phosphorus atom and four oxygen atoms. Okay. Now similarly, calcium hydroxide is CaOH whole twice. One atom of calcium OH whole twice means two atoms of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen. Two atoms each of oxygen and hydrogen. Next one is lead nitrate. Lead nitrate Pb, lead NO3 whole twice. Lead nitrate. Now see this. This is H3PO4 only and this is CaOH whole twice. So why it is CaOH whole twice? Why it is this is not H3PO4 whole twice? This all we'll study now in our next topic, that is how to make chemical formulas. Let's continue with this only first. Next one is gypsum. Gypsum is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Calcium sulfate CaSO4 dot 2H2O dihydrate. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Next one is Epsom salt. Epsom is MgSO4 dot 7H2O. You must have read this in class 8th also, that this dot 7H2O which is attached to this molecule, this H2O is called water of crystallization. Yes, this is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Two water molecules are attached to this molecule, and this is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Seven water molecules are attached to it. Now we'll study how to make chemical formulas. Suppose let's take example of calcium sulfate only. If we'll take example of calcium sulfate, and if you are asked to make the formula of calcium sulfate, for this I told you earlier that you have to learn all the radicals and ions which are given in page number 3. So if you'll refer to that page, you will come to know that calcium ion is Ca2 plus and sulfate ion is SO4 2 minus. So the first thing which we have to write is symbol. First we'll write symbol. In second point, we'll do crisscross. Ca2 plus SO4 2 minus. This 2 minus charge, it will come here, and this Ca plus 2 charge will come here. It means if we'll write the formula, initial formula will be Ca2, this 2 will come here, and SO4, it should be enclosed in a bracket because 4 is already written here. If we'll write 2 here like this, so it will become 42. So we have to put brackets when we write any number here with radicals. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. The final formula will be CaSO4. Let's take one more example. Suppose it is ammonium nitrate. It is ammonium Nitrate. Ammonium ion is written as NH4 plus. NH4 plus, it is ammonium ion, and nitrate ion is written as NO3 minus, nitrate ion. So this is the first step where we write the symbols. The next step is crisscross. Here we'll do crisscross, crisscross. See, minus 1 plus 1, it means in initial formula we'll write 1 here and 1 here, but we know that there is no need to write 1, so the formula will be NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate. Let's take one more example. Let's take the example of zinc hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide. First step is writing the symbols. It is Zn plus 2. Hydroxide is OH minus. Then in next step we'll do crisscross. Crisscross will be done like this. This minus 1. 1 will come here and this plus 2 will come here. Initial formula will be Zn1 OH 2 and the final formula will be ZnOH whole twice. Practice as more as formulas as you can, and rest I'll tell you in next class. Thank you.